Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So today I'm going to show you how I usually contour my face, highlight and contour. And I usually use concealer to highlight, and today I'm going to use this L'Oreal inflammable more than concealer. I'm going to use this one to highlight, and this is in number 338 honey. So this is how it looks like. And then I usually don't contour with cream concealer of foundation. I usually use powder because I don't like so much on my face like another layer of concealer. So I usually do only with I usually contour with the sleep with the powder. So I'm going to use the sleep powder in dark, and that's what I'm going to use to contour my face. So I've already put on my foundation, and the foundation that I've used, as usual, I've used my Lancome Detente Idol Ultra, and now I'm going to just conceal I'm going to show you how I highlight and contour my face. So let's go ahead, guys. So I'll take my concealer. The concealer is a little bit lighter than my shade, but when I want that face beat, most of the time I use almost my concealer shade, but today I'm going to use this one. I'm going to show you guys. I usually don't put a lot because just like it, not so much. I don't want it to be cakey, so that's how much I put. And then I put some here. A sponge. I usually don't use wet sponge. I use dry sponge. I tried wet sponge, but girl, I usually use a little bit of foundation and, as you can see, concealer. So when I use a wet sponge, it takes everything. Then I'm like, what did I apply? Like, it's nothing. Yeah, so I usually use just dry sponge to blend my concealer. And be careful with your shadow. That's what I'm doing there. Just blend your concealer. And because I don't use a lot of product, it's easy for me to blend. I don't have problem with blending because I don't use so much. So yes,
de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
This concealer is very good. It's a very nice concealer. I tried this concealer and I like it so much, but most of the time my favorite concealer is the Maybelline Fit Me, but this one also is very nice. The L'Oreal also is very nice. It has a very nice coverage, guys. As you can see, it's just smooth on my skin, and like it, and it just melts in my skin, on my skin. It just gets in. So what I do, after I've put my concealer, I'm going to set it to avoid the creasing. So I usually use my butter cup, such a butter cup. This one, I just use this one on all my makeup for setting my foundation. I have other powders, but I just found myself going back to this. So I'm just going to take this same sponge but the other side, and I'm going to take, and I usually don't bake. I take just a little bit of powder and I just set it, because the reason is I don't like the way baking looks. When I bake, I've tried baking, and yeah, it's just cakey, and I don't like. I feel like I have a lot, and I feel like it's so heavy, you know, on my face, and I don't like that. So everything works for someone. If something is working for you, well and good, but if it's not working, just do what works for you. Don't force things just because the other person is baking, so you have to bake. That is wrong, because everybody has something that works for them, and like me, baking doesn't work for me, and I don't like how it looks like. So I just set my, I tried baking once, and I tried once and it didn't work, and I've never baked like that once. That didn't work, and that's what was it. So I'm going to take my sleek contour palette, and this is how it looks like, and I'm going to contour my face. So I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take a contour brush. Yes, this one. And this brush is from Essence. I bought it a long time ago. It's a contour brush. I bought it a long time ago. I don't even remember how much it was, but it's very nice. So I'm going to take my sleek powder and I'm going to contour my face. Just slightly. And when you're contouring, make sure that you blend upwards. Just blend upwards. And contouring, you for me, from what I think and what I like, I don't like people knowing that I've contoured that so much on your face, you know, like so dark. And, no, just put slightly, confuse people. Don't make it so obvious, you know. That's what I mean. Like, yeah, just shape your face. So, just do like that. And just to see how it comes along nicely. And I'm blending upwards. I'm blending upwards. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, and also make sure you put also here, so you don't have that like a mask on. Just blend you nicely. You don't need much. So I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup again, and I'm going to take my blending sponge, and I'm going to take a little bit powder, and I'm just going to just like that. And I'm going to do the other side too. And then I'm going to leave it just for a little bit while I'm contouring my nose. So for my nose, I'm going to take a small blending brush, Yeah, I'm going to take something like this, just a small blending brush. Then I'm going to take my sleeve, and I'm just going to slightly contour, very slightly. Don't make it so obvious that
you don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
and then so I'm going to take my blush, and then I'm going to take my blush and then highlight. So this one has already enough, so I'm going to take a thin brush and I'm just going to wipe it out and blend it.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on
Let's blend everything to look.
Cause it ain't hard to
Because
forget.
as you can see,
You know what it's like. That's why I'm better with and without you.
let's put on our blush and then we'll put on our highlight. And I'm going to use the Essence Fall Back to Nature, and this is how it looks inside. And I'm going to take this color to use as mine. It smells so good. This blush smells so good. So good. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to use to my cheeks. And I usually also don't like too much, like just a little bit color.
You don't need to be charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh.
So after that, what we're going to highlight. Girl, you see that? So I'm going to use my highlight. It's called my highlight. Like I've told you, if you live in the Netherlands, I bought it in Action, and it was like, I don't know, I bought it like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, and it's my favorite blush. I mean highlight. I have more expensive highlights, but I still go back to this one because that's how much I love it. So I'm going to take this color. I'm going to take this. I'm going to mix this and this to use on my face. You see that, guys? I love it. See that? And I'm going to use the Essence Fall Back to Nature, and this is how it looks inside. And I'm going to take this color to use as mine. It smells so good. This blush smells so good. So good. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to just to my cheeks. and I usually also don't like too much, like maybe just a little bit color. Perfecto. Thank you so much that you don't know where you're from. Just a little bit. So after that, what we are going to do, we are going to highlight. Girl, you see that? So I'm going to use my highlight. It's called my highlight. Like I've told you, if you live in the Netherlands, I bought it in Action, and it was like, I don't know, I bought it like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, and it's my favorite black. I mean highlight. I have more expensive highlight, but I still go back to this one because that's how much I love it. So I'm going to take this color. I'm going to take this. I'm going to mix this and this to use on my face. You see that, guys? I love it. Yeah. Who say cheap doesn't work? My friend. See that? Ooh. I take just a little bit like that. Not much. And then I will take the same highlight, and I will use it on my tear dot. So you take this, just use it here as our tear dot. Oh girl, you see that? This highlight though. So that's it, guys. And now I'm going to put my lashes on. And then I will come back, guys.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.